I have just received this parcel from Meesho and I have ordered some fridge magnets. So let's quickly open and see how this product looks like. This item was quite reasonable. If I'm not wrong, it was within 200. I'm also very excited to see. It was looking really good in the picture. So yeah, let's open it. Okay, so this is the way it is packed. It is bubble wrapped actually. So this is how it looks like. Altogether there are 5 magnets. Let's show you one by one. This one says you are my cup of tea, and here goes the magnet as you can see. This says love to stir things up. It's really pretty. This one is very cute and it has multiple colors in it, and it says food vibes only. This says don't worry, be happy. And this is the last one. This says stress free zone. If you love cooking, yeah, you can relate to this one, Guys, this is my refrigerator where I'm going to put all of these. Let's see how this looks on my refrigerator. Now this is how my fridge door is looking, guys. So I believe all these magnets are really truly beautiful, and it is affordable also. What do you guys think?